This is Rich from New School Piano. We're going to do a country tune from Bryan. We're going to do Strip It Down. This is for AJ. Basically, the song is 3 chords. It's B minor, A. So the 3 chords there are B minor to D to A. All right, those 3 chords. B, D, F sharp. That's what you do to make a B minor chord. B, D, F sharp. You play them all together. Then you switch to a D chord, which is D, F sharp, and A. Okay? To an A, which is A, C sharp, and E. Okay. So, the song goes like this. That other part is, which is F sharp, E, B. And on the first chord in the B minor, it does this. So those 2 notes come in first. So like this. 2, 3. Play that whole thing. Then it goes to the D chord and does that same riff again, which is F sharp, E, B. Then it walks up to the C sharp, B, E, D, C sharp. Watch the whole thing. Watch it again. So again, the right hand is going to be. One, two, ready, go. That's basically the whole song, including the verse and the chorus. There may be a bridge or something in there. I didn't get through the whole song. I just want to get the basic idea down in this video. Listen to New School Piano. Send me questions via comments. I try to answer everybody. This again was for AJ, my student. Have a great day and keep practicing.